Hello, investors. My name is Matt Hone from Hone& Sons Landscape and Design, and I'm here to offer you a solution to keep green grass all year long and help reduce those water bills that keep rising each year. What is this, you might ask? Artificial turf. Artificial turf is being used all around the country. Did you know that 17 of the 31 NFL stadiums are using artificial turf? It is also being used by high schools across Southern California also. Schools and homeowners alike are no longer putting in natural grass. They are putting in artificial turf. How much does it cost? Depending on the grade of turf that you buy, it varies from $1.50 to $3.50 a square foot. With install rates going from anywhere to $8 to $10 a square foot, this can be a very lucrative business for you. There are companies out there that produce turf, but ours is made in the USA and it has green certified lead points for construction projects. If you'd like to hear more about this, please reach out to me and I would love to talk to you. Thank you.